So life's just been great lately. Besides our collective issues like the Rona numbers rising and the inevitable disasters awaiting us because of climate change. But besides that, my boyfriend of 2 years broke up with me. I'm way behind in university. And to get there, I need to travel 7 hours a day, 3 times a week, because I still haven't found a dorm room. So instead of getting my shit together, I decided to sit down and play around with makeup. No, okay. Mental health is important, and I think it's a good thing to distract yourself if you need to and make yourself feel pretty and take care of yourself. So if you happen to be in need of distraction or just another video to be a reason to not make your homework, you're welcome. So you just saw me do my base makeup. To money, it's just the applicator being ejected out of the packaging. But here I'm priming my lids. Then I decided to finish my face makeup, so I'm applying bronzer onto my cheeks, just below my eyes and a little bit in the middle of my nose. It's been my favorite thing to do for the longest time. I just think it's cute. Then for eyeshadow I'm grabbing a warm toned gold. It's like a yellowy gold or orangey gold. And I'm applying that all over the lid. And I mean all over. I'm bringing it up quite far up. And then using the same brush, because I'm lazy and don't want to grab another, I'm using the leftovers from the brush to distribute that on both of my eyes, and I'm blending it out at the same time. Like basically into my brow. Also blending out the edges. Then I'm grabbing a black shade and I'm applying that onto my top waterline. Make sure your brush is clean, obviously. And I'm not really applying it all over the waterline, just the part that is the closest to the lash line. Then I'm extending my lash line. Let me show it again. So what I'm doing is grabbing the black and I put my brush towards my waterline, but just a little beside it. So I'm putting eyeshadow just beside the waterline. Then I put the black all over my bottom lash line, also on my waterline. I'm also connecting the extended top line with the bottom line. Sorry for the angles, by the way, I was very concentrated. Applying it all over the lash line. And making sure that I blend out the black into my lash line very well. So that I don't have like a flashy tone between the two black lines. Then I grab a clean brush and gently blend it out. I'm not blending it out downwards too much, I really want the color to be concentrated in one place. And then I apply a little bit more shadow on places that it might have removed the eyeshadow a bit too much while blending. And smoking it out gently again. Then I'm curling my lashes. As always, I need to do some gymnastics to fit all of them in. Curling them all over their length. Then it's time for mascara. I'm doing forwards and backwards motions and also rotating the wand slightly while applying. Then I brush my brows through. I usually don't do a lot with my brows, just brow gel or something. But since I have quite a bold eye look, I decided to do my brows as well. Just filling in the gaps. Then I soften it up with a brush. At last I use a brow gel. I try to get as much off as possible. And then using very gentle strokes, I apply it. Brushing my brows upwards. I decided to go for the nude lip. So here's the final look. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.